What is going on, everybody? It's TG here. Baba Bulls, other bulls, bears, everything. Welcome to this video. We got a lot to talk about today because Alibaba just had its best day in 4 years. Now, this is because of two reasons, and we're going to go over into each and every one of those. I made a video about Baba a couple days ago about Munger's purchase, but we got to talk about it again because it had an insane day today. At one point, the stock was up 10%. So we're going to go over all this and more. Guys, hit that subscribe button. It means a ton to me. We have a Discord link in the description below if you want to support the channel. I set up a Patreon link, so go and check that out. If you want to support the channel, it means a ton to me. But yeah, let's talk about this. So why? Why is Alibaba, and not just Alibaba, but all Chinese stocks are flying today? Well, finally, President Biden and President Xi are going to be meeting, and this is going to be huge, and they agreed by year's end, both of them would meet. And as you guys know, tensions have not been good with China. Another reason why China stocks have just been, flushed down the drain recently. But this was a beacon of hope that, all right, maybe this relationship with China can get resolved. We can get a little bit better tensions with China going forward, which obviously helps. So, again, that gives U.S. or Western investors, whatever you want to call us, more hope to invest in a place where our presidents get along. We have, have better relations, rather than a country where it's not going well. So that's obviously a big thing. Another one, obviously the Munger one. This is just huge. We talked about this in the last video, but Charlie Munger having over 302,000 shares, increasing his stake by 83%. He bought the dip big and doubled down. And, there's a reason it takes up 20% of his portfolio, probably about 23% now after that big day it's had. But, again, it's big news for Alibaba investors. And, overall, pretty good day. Unfortunately, guys, we actually messed up. We yesterday sold calls to hedge our position on Baba. And these are 3 of the calls. I had 6. I had to roll 3 of them out. So we're down about $4,000 on those calls. We did roll these ones out. So we're down about $4K on the calls that we sold, but we were able to lock in profits on a couple of other spreads. And, we had a really good day on, all these other positions right here, especially our leap calls on Baba and our leap puts on Baba as well. So, overall, a pretty good day. Our account's back to 79K. That's huge. Got to keep things in perspective. We had, down to 65K on Monday when Baba was in the 130s. So now back up to 79 is huge. We're trying to just, slowly get back there, doing it safe. So while I'm obviously extremely upset that I sold calls and then the day I sell calls, the day after, the stock is its biggest day in 4 years. Obviously, just very unfortunate. But, again, I have to start hedging because hedging is something that's helped me in the past with Apple and, a couple other companies as well. When they remain flat or something, it's really good to hedge, especially if there's a market pullback. You're able to profit on that and you're not going to get blown up. So because I use margin, because I'm over leveraged, I have to hedge. Because if there's a massive downturn, then I'm going to have what happened last time and my account gets cut in half. We can't have that happen anymore. So I'm trying to play it safe and be a little more smarter. Obviously, it's not ideal because the hedging doesn't always work. Today when the markets rally, the hedging sucks. But, yesterday or 2 days ago when the markets roll over, you're really glad you hedged because you're able to make profit on that. So, again, it's just one of the many strategies to do and to implement. I think we'll be okay with the other ones, these 160s for October 22nd. It's a long time away. It's exactly 2 weeks from tomorrow. So it's a long time. But Baba still has to go up some, and obviously there can be a pullback, so it's got to go up 4 more points, which isn't much for Baba. But I figured that if it goes to 160, then I'm fine letting 3 of my calls go. So I'll sell 3 calls, these 3 calls, or again, I can always just roll again, but I don't really want to do that. I kind of want to take some profits, or not even profits, but making back some of my losses, and then I'm going to hold these puts, these 250 puts, and the 230 put. I don't know where the other 230 put is. We got to find that guy. Some other areas. Hold those forever. So that's my long-term investment on Alibaba. Those 3 puts, 250 strike price, 230 strike price, and I think that's doable. I think by January 2023, I think Alibaba can maybe be back to 250. And in that case, we'll make, they're going for 100 per right now, so that's $20,000 more that we can get from that put. And the 230, about $7,800. So about $28,000, or yeah, like almost $28,000 more that we can get from BABA. And then again, we can still sell calls on it as well. And then we have our spreads. We have a ton of spreads. We sold about 5 of these today, just to lock in some profits, and then like one of these other ones as well, just to lock in a little bit of profit in case it does pull back hard. But overall, very good day. Trying to be transparent with you guys and show you guys the pros, the cons, all that stuff, because it's the growth of my portfolio, growth of my channel. I want to show you guys everything, all that I do. So yeah, guys, I'm happy for all you guys who are making money today. I wish I could have made a lot more. I mean, I would have made 6,000 more at one point today, which would have been really nice, getting back to 85. But again, you can't play everything correctly, and unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. That not everything works in your favor, and sometimes, I mean, who would have known that Alibaba would have had its best day in 4 years? Like, no, we don't know that. So again, we do what we can. We got to preserve capital. It's not just about making money; it's about preserving what you have. It's very important, because people can get wiped out really, really quickly. You over leverage and you keep buying the dip, and a big drop happens. You get margin called. Your account can get liquidated like that. You got to be careful. So, still happy. Very blessed to be in the position we're at. Obviously, account's still down a lot this year, but hoping to make it back slowly but surely. We got our Apple, our Baba, our Baidu position as well. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm in Baidu as well, pretty big. We got 15 of these, 1 of these, and 3 of these, 3 more of these. So made some good profits on Baidu today. It's one of the ones I really, really like. We were able to pick some up yesterday, which really helped out. So yeah, Baba and Baidu, only 2 Chinese stocks I'm in. We got a lot of Ford as well. These Ford calls are, again, hedging gone bad. You make a ton on the puts, but the hedging goes bad. So again, but again, one of those things. It's still under 15, so if it falls back, I mean, man, we'll make a ton of money from that. So yeah, guys, it's all about protecting yourself and being safe. But that's what I'm doing. That's what I personally am trying to go about this forward. Just so there's no more big swings in my account, because it's not good for me. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on Alibaba and this insane China rally that we've had. From the lows now, we've recovered a lot and are now up 12.5% from the lows, which is awesome. That's definitely what we needed. That's something that you don't see every day. Top gainer. That's something you don't see every day. So yeah, guys, enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. Again, if you want, hop in the Discord. And let's chat. Hit that subscribe button and check out the Patreon as well if you want. But anyways, guys, you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Congrats, Bulls. Bye.